Today we want you to try a new tool we have on our site, and that is this search bar up here. We've had search up here before, but this is kind of new. In building our new site, we found a search that we really have enjoyed, and we wanted to put it on this site so people could get used to it. It's still in beta, we're still tweaking it, but we think you'll enjoy it. So just come up here and type in anything you want. It can be a search, a technique, a style, anything. So let's do trapunto. It then goes and looks in our Watch, Learn, See Quilts, Shop, and Blog and shows where it sees that word, and it tries to pick out what it considers most important. So we know there are shows here by Philippa Naylor and Kim Lacey. You're going to find quilts, people who've done trapunto in their quilts, and different ways you can be inspired and see these quilts up close. It's really fun to see all the quilts. You're going to get kind of lost in that part. Even our shop has things on trapunto. Ricky's Grand Finale, which Star members can watch on our site, has a wonderful section on trapunto. If you haven't watched it, you need to. And our blog has trapunto all through it. Now you may ask, why is there no picture here? That's because if it's only a video, there isn't a picture for it to pull back. If it's something with a picture in it, you'll see it. So pick what you want to see. Here's another thing you can try. This one was fun. We put in first. And then we went over and looked at the blog, and suddenly look at all these first place quilts. You get a chance to see the first taping. Quilts it's really fun. First entry, you can put in third and get that. One hint I have for you is very often less is more. If you need 2 words, if you want to say modern quilts and not get modern furniture or whatever else might be in there, then you'd put both words. But you know, quilts is going to have a lot of hits, and so it may be more information than you need. So, for instance, if you say Tula Pink, you're going to get a Tula Pink, and you're going to get people who talked about Tula Pink. But you're also going to get a lot of quilts based on Tula Pink. But you're also going to get a lot of things that just happen to be pink. So sometimes less is more. So you might just say Tula, and then it's going to be a little more concentrated on who you're looking for in that case. So give it a try. It's not perfect yet, but we are loving it so far, and we think you will too. You're going to be able to find more of what it is that you want to find on the site. You know, recently Alex had a red work pattern she's giving away for free. It's called Love Thy Neighbor. You can type in red work, come over to Learn, and there it is, the Love Thy Neighbor red work pattern. So give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks.